In today's tech video, I'm going to be solving possibly a problem that you may have. If you're a newbie when it comes to flying drones, like myself, we're going to learn how to charge this bad boy up. This is the DJI Mavic Mini remote. That's today's video. But let's go ahead and cue the intro first. Before we begin, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you can get notified for future videos. I'd love to have you back in the next one. Well, hey guys, Juan here. Thanks for stopping by my channel and checking out this video. So if you're watching this, you're probably trying to figure out how do you charge up your Mavic Mini remote. Now this may come pretty easy to some people, but if it did not to me, I'm sure there's probably somebody else out there who's having trouble figuring out how do you charge this thing up, because they don't make it so easy to know. But well, let me turn the camera around. I'm going to give you guys real specific instructions on how to do this. It's easy peasy to do once you figure it out, but it's figuring it out in the first place. So let's look at the remote. Okay, so here is the DJI Mavic Mini remote. Now, if I'm having this problem, I'm sure somebody else is having it. So over here on the left hand side, you can see where there's this square plug here. Now this is normally where this charging cable would plug into whenever you are running your Mavic Mini, and then this end, since I have an iPhone, this is a lightning cable, gets plugged into the iPhone that way. Now there's no specific spot here of where you charge up your Mavic Mini, and if you look real closely, you can see that they have like almost looks like could be a micro USB portion that you plug in there, but you don't plug anything. It's just like what looks like it. But I think what they did is they made that to signify that this is also a micro USB. So what you do is you take one of your white cables that they give you, and even though that is a square hookup, so you take your micro USB and you plug it right in there. Bam, and it fits in there. You take the other end here and you charge it up, or the USB portion, you charge it into something, and that is how you charge up your RC remote here. Seems simple enough, but I had an issue with it. I'm sure somebody else did. Hopefully this helps you. If it does, make sure you throw a thumbs up on this video. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back on the next one. Thanks, guys. Until then, be creative.